Hello, my name is Toby Paik. Welcome to the Clean channel. Today we're going to be looking at the MultiPad-100 by Donna. It's a guitar multi-effects processor. It looks like a vintage gaming controller, but unfortunately it's not. It's just a guitar thing. Or bass, because this has a bass guitar setting here as well. What this basically does is it has an amp and cab simulator. You have a tuner built in. You have a bunch of effects such as flanger, tremolo, and different settings. You have 2 clean channels and you have 2 overdrive channels. It has 2 distortion channels. And finally, the bass channel, like I mentioned before. It has a bunch of reverb settings. It's got room, hall, plate. It sounds almost too good to be true. It has delays, pure, warm, tape. So like 3 settings for like delays, reverb, and modulation effect. You can like save patches, and you have a little drum machine here. It's got a phone jack, auxiliary cord. It's got a USB input, so you can hook it up to your computer and you can power it that way. It's got a 9-volt adapter slot, and the adapter comes with it. It can also run on 9-volt batteries, so that's really useful. It even has a little like clip here, so you can, I'll show you, I guess. So you can put it here like that and then walk around the office, and it's a great conversation starter. You know, what's up? How you doing? What's that thing you've got there? Is that like a pager? Lol. No, Gregory. It's actually a guitar multi-effects processor. Do you have a guitar multi-effects processor on your belt, Gregory? No, I didn't think so. Jog on. You know, things of that nature. I don't know why I got really aggressive there. Just reminded me of my old work. Hope you're doing okay, Gregory. Not. Without further ado, let's just try this out then. Okay, let's just record something. Okay, it's got some delay on it right now, so. It actually sounds really good. Got the warm, let's go try that. Let's try the reverb to a hall. It's like you're in a cathedral. Okay, let's try some tremolo. And then a tape echo. Right, there's a drum machine here. You can play drum, like, does it play? Or, okay. Yeah, you have a drum machine, so you can play along to it. Okay. That's going to drive me insane, so I'm going to stop that for now. Let's just put a tiny bit of reverb and a flanger, and then move on to the second channel, which is like, I believe it's supposed to emulate a Vox 30 amp or something. Right, moving on. Overdrive. Let's kill the flanger. This is treading on dangerous waters here. I'm getting a little excited now because there's some gain over here and it's not good for my health. Right. Overdrive II. I think we're just getting more and more powerful, just more distorted, which is, I'm a little scared, but. Is this supposed to be a JCM 800 or something? Not too sure. I guess I'll figure it out while I edit. Put some warm delay and more reverb here. Okay, maybe that's a little too much. It's like a haunted house. Okay, maybe that's too much. What about just the whole? That's too much. I mean, it's not too bad. The effects are sounding a little too artificial to my personal taste, but considering the size, what you can do on this tiny controller looking thing, it's, you know, it's understandable. And for $50, I'm not going to complain about it too much. Okay, now we are entering the distortion. Oh boy. Okay, tiny bit of reverb. That sounds like a fuzz box. You can control the gain here, obviously. Oh boy. I'm liking this a little too much now. Distortion II. Why does this sound really good? What? Yeah, I'm going to stop right here. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you, Donna, for sending me this. I did not expect that. $50, the size of my hand, and it can do all these things, and it sounds massive. That's crazy. If you're all about saving up space and you don't have room in your New York City apartment, or you just like portability, I mean, I wouldn't complain too much if you had to run off, do a quick rehearsal or something, or go busking. But anyway, thank you very much for watching, and make sure to check this out if you are in the market for portable, affordable, effects for your instruments. Thank you very much for watching.